Causes of World War I. Extreme nationalism. Extreme nationalism contributes to World War I. Both extreme nationalism and patriotism were key factors that led to the outburst of World War I. All of Europe's great powers developed a strong belief in its own cultural, economic, and military power. Overconfidence soon led to a catastrophic misconception that started as a small series of wars, which then led to the greatest war, World War I. Jingoistic believers were the ones that supported nationalist actions, exposed arrogance that often appeared in cultural expressions like literature, music, theater, and even sometimes newspapers. Sé bilingüe, Starkenglish.